So guys, this is where we ended the part 1 of this tutorial. So this is the concluding part. Okay, so keep watching. So guys, we need 2 of this. Okay, this is 32 by length and this is 34 by length. Okay, so let's make the necklace. Okay, let's do the finishing. So guys, I may not talk here, please just pay close attention to what I am doing. Okay, so you repeat the same thing. Make sure you secure these parts properly. You pass your line through it, through the beads as much as possible, so you are sure this place is firm. Okay, I don't really want to talk so you can understand what I am doing. Just pay close attention. So guys, this is what we have. As you can see, we have knots both together like so. So make sure you have equal lengths right there. Okay, and this is what we have. So we are going to knot this as well together with it. Okay, just the same process. Pass your line through it like so. Make sure you knot this part together. Okay, so guys, now that we are sure that we have tacked both together properly like so, then I will knot it. So after knotting, I am not going to cut the fire line out. All right, so now I'm going to place our beaded flower right here. Okay, so let's stack it together. So guys, now that we have successfully tacked the flower, the beaded flower, we are going to knot it. You can see that I did not cut the line that I used. Okay, so now we are going to knot it. after knotting, secure the fire line, then cut it. Okay, so lovely. Now that we have successfully fixed the beaded flower on our jewelry, on our necklace, okay, you see how beautiful it is. So now let's fix the hook. All right, so we have our 2 layers hook. So this is when we need our 0.60 fire line, just cut small from it, not too long. Okay, what you need to do is pass your fire line in the orange bead, the 6/0, like so. Okay, once that is done, work it to the other side. And this is what you have. You see both line in each side. Okay, this part as well, pass it into the 6/0, which is the orange bead. So you have both line and the sides. Okay, so now we are going to pass this line out at the top. Okay, so pass your line like so. Make sure it comes out here, as you can see. Pull it, then repeat the same for the second one. Pull it. So this is what we have now. So now insert the crystal beads. So pick 2 stopper and insert it. This is what you have. Now pick your 2 layers hook. Okay, insert it in the first O like so, and work your line back into the 2 stoppers. Then pull it tight. And this is what we have. Okay, so whatever we did here, we are going to repeat it right here. Insert your crystal, pick 2 stopper and insert it. Then pass your line into the first O. Work your line back into the stopper. So guys, this is what we have. As you can see, we are done with the first layer. So whatever we did for the first layer, we are going to also do it for the second layer. So fix the second layer and let's meet together. Okay, so guys, now this is what we have. As you can see, we are done making our beautiful necklace. Okay, so guys, this is available for sale. If you are interested, just DM me. Okay, if you are interested, DM me on Instagram or Facebook at Yemzi's Varieties. So it is available if you are interested, and if you want another color, let me know. Okay, so do want to give this video a thumb up. All we need to do now is close this part, close it and cut it out. Okay, so lovelies, we are done. See how beautiful it is. Super beautiful. Okay, so do want to give this video a thumb up if you love what you have watched. Subscribe and turn on the post notification bell for more video like this one. Okay, this is available. We have the bracelets, as well, and also the earrings. So if you are interested to get this, DM me, same name on Instagram and on Facebook. And if you want another color, kindly let me know. Okay, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. Okay, remain blessed until I see you in my next video. Bye bye.